Hey guys, how's it going? How to level up Hamster Kombat. So you get a higher level once you play the Hamster Kombat and earn more coins. And as you can see right here, you can earn more coins by just playing with the other friends. And basically when you play and go to the daily rewards and daily chipper and the daily combo, and then you're gonna be able to gain a lot of coins. And here you're gonna see the mine, the rooms that you can join in. You can invite friends to play with you and earn more money. So basically you can earn more coins via just being or playing or unpacking the rewards. So let's wait on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.